Do you want to create a professional looking horror survival game in Unity? Well, you've found the right course. This is aimed at anybody who loves game design and wants to make awesome games. My name is Pete Jepson and I've taught game design for over 5 years. Now in this series we will be making a first-person character horror game where you have to survive against a gang of maniacs armed with a variety of weapons. You don't need any previous experience, as I will be guiding you through the course step by step, showing you how to make the game and how to write the code using C#. I will be giving you interesting assignments throughout, which will build your experience and knowledge in game design. But you will need a powerful computer to complete this project, so please ensure your computer meets the minimum specifications as displayed here. So, what's in the course? Well, we start by creating the visuals. We want to establish a nighttime look for the horror game. Then we will give the player a flashlight and we will set up a night vision camera. We will light the scene to make it look really nice and give it a great aesthetic quality. And we will add volumetric fog to give the scene atmosphere and create that professional quality look. Now the environment map and props are all free to download and you can use them in any game you decide to create. We will add sounds and music to bring the scene to life, and we will also import enemy characters, and we will add walking, running and attack animations using the mechanim animator window in Unity. This will seamlessly blend between a wide range of motions. Then we will work on navigation pathfinding and artificial intelligence, which will allow the enemy characters to make their own decisions where to go and what to do. Now once the enemies detect you, they will discover their own different ways to hunt you down. We will also work on a player inventory menu, which will display the weapons that you have picked up. And each weapon has a different strength, speed and noise. Then we will work on the stealth mechanics, which will allow your player to attempt to sneak around the map unnoticed. But the enemies are clever, and once they spot you they will go into pursuit mode, and this makes for very challenging gameplay. Then this brings us into the combat system, where the enemy will attack you and you can attack them, but you will need to choose the right weapon to try and kill the enemies because they are very fast and very strong. Now if you try and stand and exchange strikes with them, you won't last very long. So strategy is really the key to defeating the enemies. We will be adding a save system so players can save and load their progress between sessions. And finally, we will work in the main menu in in-game options such as changing lighting, volume, switching off anti-aliasing and fog, as well as difficulty settings. So by the end of this course, you will have a completed horror survival game which you can export out as a finished product. And you will have developed the skills, confidence and understanding of how to make your own games in Unity. So if you like the sound of this course, why not enroll today? And I look forward to seeing you in my course.